Hi everyone, I'm Usha Ghuroo from Mauritius. I'm an educator and I have completed my undergraduate degree in education, and I'm also involved in extracurricular clubs like sustainable art and drama. I am currently a student at the University of Gorica, and I'm following my master degree, that is a master in leadership in open education. And my initial encounter with Nova Gorica University is one of the pleasant moments as a learner that I would like to share. Well, starting with the admin team, the lecturers, the dean. Well, every single person connected to the University of Nova Gorica has a different and welcoming approach. I would strongly recommend anyone thinking about how to enhance their career with a global perspective, and also because it leads to more opportunities. So this is the place to be. And well, for me, I'm really honored to be part of the Open Education family and would welcome you to be part of it. All the best, and I wish to see you on the same platform.